Parental interaction is essential in this book to ensure the student's understanding of the concept is mastered. Since this series was created for a beginner reader, it is important to maintain daily practice and consistency of how the student is being taught. Remember that giving positive encouragement is vital to building the student's confidence in his reading abilities. The student should complete 4 pages per day with guidance to ensure he is learning the material correctly. In Codebusters Booklet J, the student will learn the names and sounds of vowels U and E, as well as a review of all the previously learned material. First, ask the child to say the name and sound of the letter. If he cannot, then he may need just to repeat after the instructor. What letter is this? Correct, this is the letter U. What sound does the letter U make? Correct, U makes the sound uh. Also, have the student tell you which is an uppercase U and which is a lowercase u. Have the student repeat this to you 3 times and trace both letters. Then tell him to name and circle each picture. Help the student to emphasize the sound when naming each picture. This is a picture of an elephant that is unhappy. Unhappy. The words at the bottom of the page are for the instructor or parent to know the name expected. After he names the picture, he can circle it. Let's move on to the next letter. Ask the student to name the letter. Correct, this is the letter E. What sound does the letter E make? Great, E makes the sound eh. Remember to review upper and lowercase letters as well. Have the child name and circle each picture. Help the student to emphasize the eh sound when naming each picture. This is a picture of an exclamation. Exclamation. Have the student sound out the word in 3 parts, and then blend the sounds together. You may need to demonstrate the first word for the student by saying n, bun, bun. Have the student do this for each word 3 times, and then draw a line from the word to the matching picture. Have the student blend the sounds together 3 times. You may need to demonstrate the first one. Stretch it out at first by saying t, then speed up by saying t. Encourage the student to say it quickly. Trace the arrow with your finger to show direction. Have the student blend the sounds together 3 times. Demonstrate the first row for him to copy by saying cl, cl, cl. Then speed up by saying cl, cl, cl. Encourage the student to practice saying it quickly. Remember to use the short U as in umbrella. Here, the student will work on developing fine motor skills. It is important when developing handwriting skills to know how to form each letter correctly. Have the student trace the letters while saying the sound, then write the letters on his own. Use the numbers and arrows shown below to form each letter correctly. For any further questions or explanations, please contact your Gideon instructor.